guys hear this? I'm an absolute wreck. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is going to be a two-part video. So the first part is this, which is the sweetheart side. You don't need that much time to do it, that much experience. The second part of this video is going to be the heartbreak side, which I'm going to be using a lot more color, a lot more drama, bringing it in for Valentine's Day, you know, or whenever. Take your pick, doesn't really matter. So yeah, let's begin. My hair looks really crazy. I think I'm gonna take it out and put it in a headband. So I'm gonna be taking my Milk Makeup Blur Stick, which is one of my favorites, and I'm just going to put this over my T-zone. I'm gonna be taking my Maybelline Matte and Pore-less. I actually just started using this foundation again because I got a little pale, right, during the winter. And we're just going to kind of dot that onto the skin. I definitely need more than this, but we'll just build it up with multiple layers. Okay, I'm going to go in with the second layer because I'm not totally obsessed with the coverage that this gives. Like, I want my skin to be nice and flawless. After you spend 5 minutes bouncing that booty blender all over your face, you blend it, right? Cool. I'm going to be taking my concealer, and as of right now I've just been using my Kat Von D Tattoo Concealer because my under eyes are absolutely insane and I have a lot of creasing. So I'm going to add just a little bit kind of here and a baby triangle. So quick tip, if you actually leave your concealer under your eyes for just a little bit to kind of get tacky and dry, it's actually going to give you just a little bit more coverage. And I'm going to blend this out with my beauty blender, and I'm going to start on the side that I... Do you hear my dog crying? Why are you crying? Oh, right. Now that we have our under eyes baking, I'm going to go ahead and do my brows. Okay, like, this just isn't working. So I'm going to finish my brows and I'm going to come back. Girl has some brows on. They are not the best. I think this one's a little sharper than that one, but that's fine. Alright, I'm going to be taking a little bit of my Mer The Powder, and I'm just going to press the powder that I have on my face. I don't want to rub it away. If you rub away the bake, it could actually start removing some of the concealer underneath. So I'm going to be taking my butter bronzer from Physicians Formula, and ooh, I'm sorry, I just hit my table. My bad. So this is where I'm going to be putting my bronzer. So starting from up here, and again, small circular motions, I'm just going to bring it down. Now I'm also going to hit the perimeter of my face, and on this I kind of just like to do like little sweeping motions. I'm going to add my blush and stuff afterwards because I want to see what I'm doing. I'm actually trying out a few new products today from the drugstore. So I went in and Physicians Formula came out with butter highlighters. I really like this brush for my crease. I want to keep this look very simple and very easy to do, so I'm not going to be doing a lot. I'm going to go in with this color from the Chocolate Bonbons palette. It is just a warm chocolatey brown color, and I'm going to take that through my crease. We're keeping this look very soft, so just blend it out all through your crease. I'm going to be taking a more of a pointed fluffy brush, as you can see here. Anyway, I'm going to go in with this color called Mocha, and it's just kind of a little bit darker than the previous color. And I'm going to tilt my head back a little bit, and I'm really just going to focus this color on the outer part of my crease. Really simple. I just took a little bit of a warmer brown through the outer part of my crease. As you can see, we have a very nice pretty shades going. I'm going to go in with a little bit of a deeper brown, and by a little bit, I literally don't mean that much. Like, this is the brown we used. I'm going in with this brown. This color is called Malted, and I'm just taking this on a flat, fluffy brush, and I'm just dipping it in there, you know, doing a little bit of the tappy tap. And what I'm going to do is really just place this color on the outer portion of my lid, just kind of the last bit of my lid. And the reason I'm using a fluffy brush is because, once again, I'm trying to keep this look very soft. I don't want stark colors on my eyes, and we're going to blend this out anyway. I'm going to clean the fluffy brush that we used in the very beginning on my mini Verimona color switch. Found it. Oh, Jesus Christ. And so I'm taking a clean fluffy brush. This is just the fluffy brush I used in the very beginning, only to fluff out the color that we placed on the outer portion of our eye. What I'm doing is I'm going around that, and I'm just fluffing this color out. I'm going to be mixing two of these colors. I'm going to be mixing this color, which is called Sprinkles, and this giant color up here, which is called Satin Sheets. And I am going to just get that on my brush. Ooh, so powdery. And I'm going to be taking a setting spray and wetting that. And now what we're doing is just placing this onto our, ooh, that's pretty. We're going to be placing this on the inner thirds, or inner, I don't know, half of our eye, because I didn't really add too much of the brown color to the outer portion. What I'm doing is just patting the color in. Okay, so I went ahead and already did it to my other eye. Now what I'm thinking is I don't know if I necessarily want to do any eyeliner. So I'm going to be taking my Natasha Denona Holiday 02 palette, and I'm going to be taking this color right here, and this is in the shade Nude, and I'm just going to be placing that in my inner corner, just because I really want a bright inner corner. I'm going to be taking, ooh, what do you call this, bullet brush, pencil brush? It's also stained blue. I'm going to be patting this onto my brush a little bit, and also spraying this down with some setting spray to pick up that pigment. Ooh, do we see that? That is some bright inner corners. I'm going to take a fluffy brush, and I'm going to be running the same medium brown color that we used on our lids, and I'm going to be running that under my eye, just with a fluffy brush, because I don't need too much color. I just want it to be a little dimensional. So let's just run this color under our eye. What I'm going to do is take this Urban Decay Glide On eye pencil in Midnight Cowboy, and I'm going to be placing this in my waterline. What I'm going to do is take this Urban Decay Glide On eye pencil in Midnight Cowboy, and I'm going to be placing this in my waterline. I think I'm going to skip on the lashes and eyeliner today because I feel like the look just requires things to be a little soft and easier, so I'm just going to pop on some mascara. I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Colossal Cat Eyes mascara, and I'm going to be taking my Voluminous / Paradise mascara. I just got this and I like it, so I'm testing it. I always put on my cat eyes first and then put this on after. So I'm going to just curl my lashes. Lashes. Alright, I went ahead and zoomed you guys out because now we're done with our eyes, and I actually really like this. It's very simple. Now I think I am actually going to take this butter blush in the shade Rosy Pink because I want a very nice healthy glow, and I find that very light and icy pink colors really give me where the hell are my brushes? Really give me a very nice flush to my skin. Now for my blush, I'm going to be taking my Too Faced, I think this is the Mr. Right. No, it's a Perfect Powder brush, sorry. And I'm just going to dip, kind of pat my brush into this blush. Ooh. And I'm going to smile and just hit the apples of my cheeks, and I'm going to pat the color in, and then we're going to blend it out. Now that I have on my blush, I am going to highlight. I have two highlighters that I want to try today, both of which are drugstore highlighters, and I don't know where the hell I put the one I want to use. Oh, herp to derp, it's right in front of me. So I want to try this, which is the Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter, and this is in the color Rose Gold. And I also want to try this, which is the Revlon Highlighter in the shade 100 Highlight. So creative, I swear to God. So here's the packaging on the inside. I don't want to blind you guys. This is your highlight. I could have done without the whole giant ass compact, you know, not my thing, it's too big. But they give you a decently sized pan. Like, this is big. This is a big pan. Now let's open up this. This is the Physicians Formula one. Girl, why? Why are you stuck in there? Oh, this is cute. I like this packaging. Honestly, this packaging reminds me more of the ColourPop packaging. A lot, actually. But this looks gorgeous. Look at that. So beautiful and shiny. Now, my problem with Physicians Formula is they tend to have like that, just one coat of glitter, and then they stop. So I'm gonna just swatch. That is soft. That is creamy as hell. Look at that. Ooh. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Look at this. I'm pretty sure I bought this brush and got it off of Amazon. Okay. I'm gonna start with this. This is the Color Charge Highlight, and I'm kind of gonna swirl and pat my brush in here. I'm gonna hit this side of my cheek, which already kind of looks nice and highlighty, but it's not. So let's just really do this lightly. This is more of if you want a very soft, healthy glow. I'm not into soft, healthy glows. I'm into like very nice and blinding glows. But to go with this look, I actually think that that works. I do still want to try this. So I think I'm going to take this on the other side. Or you know what? Maybe we'll just put it over it a little bit, like kind of up here. Girl, that's so pretty. I'm obsessed. Do we see that? How you doing? That's a really pretty highlight. I love this. Now that we're nice and highlighted, all I did was take that Revlon Color Charge highlight and I put it on my chin, on my Cupid's bow, a little bit on my nose, and a little bit above my brows because I like to have some highlight. You don't have to if you don't want to. You can, you know, switch it out whichever one you want. Okay, so I just applied some Blistex conditioner to my lips, and now we're going to be taking the Healthy Lip from Physicians Formula, and this is in the shade Magenta, and I don't know, this is the first time I'm using it, so this is a first impression as well. It is a nice twist off with very nice heavy packaging, and I actually am not obsessed with this type of applicator. I'm going to zoom you in so you can see it. It has the little hole in the center, which is supposed to hold more product. Personally, I just find that this type of applicator doesn't coat my lips fully, but I might just be biting my tongue. So let's see. I think it's, oh my god. This smells so weird. It smells, like chemical vanilla. Okay, honestly, I wanted to do a pink lip for this, but I'm really not feeling that it goes. Like, it just looks a little too bright. So I think what I'm going to do is take this off. I'm going to switch my lip color to this, which, I'm going to switch my lip color to this because I feel like it's a very nice pink. I'm just going to flip my camera over so you can see my dog. Hold on. Okay. My lighting's kind of messing with it, but do you see this? Okay, so I already went ahead and removed this liquid lipstick. I don't think the color suited the look as much as I wanted it to, so that's a pass. but I am going to just apply a different liquid lipstick. It is still a shade of pink. The only thing is it's a very dark shade of pink, and it actually has some gold flecks in it. So this is the Storybook Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Fantasy. The packaging is really, really cute, and I've been supporting this brand since they started. My lips are still pink from the previous color, so that's why I'm having an issue. Okay, I think that worked out a lot better actually. This is personal preference. I personally just really like a nice pink a little more, especially on Valentine's Day. I think that anyone could rock a really, really cute pink. So, yeah, I don't know. I really actually like how this looks. This highlighter is amazing. I love it.